in this world of cold, hard reality, on the eve of the post-election night, we have to sit back and wonder what's best for this country. Reality? Who really fucking knows? It's a cool night in this darkness. What do we do? We ride. We ride. We ride. And get stopped at a stoplight. Yeah, I put the saddlebags on the bike just to see what it's like. Plus I got stuff to carry. I'm gonna have stuff to carry tomorrow too. Only problem is doesn't go quite far enough to pass the light because of how big the bike is. Yeah, I don't like seeing. It will now. So it'll work out. Got errands to run tomorrow. There we go. That's much better. I'll probably have to run onto the peg. Cookie dough.